Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the books that I use for inspiration in my projects. For everyone who is new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell, do a dance, draw a doodle. And now let's start with the calligraphy and lettering. The first book that I bought when I started enjoying calligraphy was this one called Creative Lettering and Beyond, Inspiring Tips, Techniques and Ideas. It has a lot of tips for practicing and improving your lettering, a lot of inspiring ideas with different mediums, including chalkboard lettering or lettering crafts. The second one is this called Scripts, Elegant Lettering from Design's Golden Age. The scripts displayed in this book are culled from hundreds of sources, including specimen books, magazines, newspapers, adverts, stationery and packaging, that were principally used in 5 countries: France, Britain, Germany, Italy and the United States. You can find a lot of inspiration from this one. Another book is In Progress by Jessica Hische. This one contains also tips and tricks for improving your lettering and a lot of practical ideas for your projects. The fourth book is this one called Handmade Type Workshop. It has a lot of ideas for inspiration when creating different scripts and also for typography. The last one from the calligraphy section is this magazine from Leonardo collection, and it has good information about the tools used in calligraphy, about the techniques, and also 10 different types of scripts with examples. Moving next to the design category, the first book is this one called I Love Stationery, and it displays a lot of creative designs that you can use for inspiration when creating stationery stuff. The second one is this called Design for Special Events. It has almost 500 of the best logos, invitations and graphics for different categories like art and design, business, community and education, private parties, awards, and sports and automotive. And moving next to the final category, and that is the illustration part. I used two books for inspiration, and both are from the series Welcome to the Museum. I have the Botanicum and the Animalium. Both of them have a lot of illustrations that can be used when looking for inspiration. And the good part is that they have also some scientific information about the plants and animals displayed. That was for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please tell me in the comments what are your favorite books when looking for inspiration for your projects, and let's spread the news about good design books. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!